Does the Aztec clay mask help acne? Well, in this video, I'm going over what happens when you use the Aztec clay mask with apple cider vinegar, as well as its benefits coming up. Hey, if we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find helpful product reviews to help you self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Also, at any point in the video, make sure you check out the links and the show notes in the video description about today's topic. Okay, let's begin. You know when you see something over and over and over again and you're not really paying attention, but you know that you've seen it? I feel like that happens for a reason because I see this product everywhere. I'm talking about on Instagram, blog posts, Amazon. I'm talking about the Aztec clay mask. And one day I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm just gonna give it a shot. And let me tell you, my face haven't looked so much better. Now, obviously, I don't know if you can see it a lot, but I have some crates on my cheeks, especially some dark spots, as well as my forehead. I have some internal sunburn, which kind of sucks ass. I'm actually in the process of kicking acne in the ass. And it all starts by sucks up all of the toxins out of your beautiful face. Throughout the day, most people are outside and work or going to school or going to the gym. All of that oil and dirt that's in your face that's accumulating due to the atmosphere, it creates something that's called sebum. And sebum are those whitehead-like waxy material that oozes out of your nose when you squeeze it. That's gross. But over time, that sebums can actually make things worse by causing blackheads and, you know, those deep pimples that just kind of freaking be annoying to pop open. But make sure you don't pop it open because you can actually pop your skin more. Now, why am I saying pop all the time? All of that leads to breakouts, bad breakouts. But this Aztec clay, what it does is it sucks up all of that out and actually shrinking those pores back to smaller size. The Aztec clay is made out of 100% bentonite clay. It's all natural. 100%. Bentonite is packed with silica, which is like the most abundant mineral on the Earth's crust. It has the power to strengthen your connective tissues, like your muscles, your ligaments, and yes, even your face, making it also friggin' soft. When you're looking for particular products, you gotta make sure you're reading the ingredients and making sure that you know exactly what's in it. If you can't pronounce half of those words on the ingredients list, then it's probably not a good idea to use due to the questionable substance that's in it. With that being said, exfoliation is a must when it comes to cleaning your face. It takes away all of that dead cells and it clears up your pores. That bentonite clay does that. As I said before, I have internal sunburn in my forehead. I have some dark spots on my cheeks. I have some small little craters from picking my damn face as a teenager. I was so damn stubborn not to put any type of sunblock on my face, and now I'm kind of like weeping the sorrows of it. But that all changed when I started using this Aztec clay, because I started to see most of the dark spots are rapidly disappearing. My acne is clearing up. So what the clay does, it lightens up your dark spots, reduces your inflammation, and helps your skin to heal. Now, keep in mind, it doesn't happen overnight. You just don't use it once and expect this grand miracle to happen. It takes time, but you'll be damn glad that you started. Over time, your skin is actually going to regenerate, making it look more healthier and even more even out skin tone. Anyone can use this. It doesn't matter what type of skin type you have. Now, I prefer to use apple cider vinegar because it actually amplifies the effects of the bentonite clay. It actually speeds up the rapid time to reduce my scars, makes my face super damn smooth, and removes all of that toxins that's buried deep inside my pores. I could make a whole other video on how to mix it, but just let me know if that's something you want to make happen. Boom, like that, easy breezy. You know that you've seen it. Talking about, wait, natural bentonite clay. It has the power to, wait, one more time. Anyone could use this. Anyone. Doesn't, wait, what the hell is that flying there?